What's up, guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. So guys, today's video is going to be all about it being a Monday. What we go through on a Monday morning, and y'all done missed half of the war. It's been a nightmare. So me and Steve, this is Steve, he's one of my good buddies. When he's not working at his other job, he's usually here helping me. And he's got this sweet Duramax, really sweet Duramax. He likes to, he's like a ham out. No! No! Told you it was a Monday. Dang. I dropped my Coke. I was really excited about this Coke. No! That sucks. Anyway, so Steve's a ham operator. Like, he does like the CB stuff. He makes some really cool guns too. You know, because down here in the South, we gotta have guns. So, we are down here right now dealing with the rain, and we're picking up the backhoe. It's been one of those days. We had to go deal with unloading the Duramax, and then now we're dealing with picking up the backhoe. So I brought the backhoe down here, what, like 6-7 months ago, to fix some wiring on it, and it did not get done. The guy that was working on it ended up quitting his job, and the backhoe's kind of just sitting back here, took apart. Somebody stole the battery off of it. Some glass got busted out of it. Just stupid stuff, you know, sitting down here in the middle of town in the back. So we're going to pick it up, try to get it loaded up on the gooseneck, and take it back to the shop. And we're going to do more Monday stuff. All right, guys, there is the backhoe. I don't know if you guys have been back and seen our old videos, but check out that CV. That thing is wicked. He's got an antenna on the back of this thing. It's got a motor in it. It works up and down. Yeah, so it goes up and down and it finds a signal. Like, he can talk to people from across the country. It's pretty cool. So they're bringing the battery out. Somebody stole the battery off it, so they're going to replace that. This thing did used to run and operate and all that stuff, so we're going to see if it still does. I've got to find some metal for it. So if anybody's got a 555C that's got some metal, missing some metal now. I need the 2 side glasses, the front glass, which I might just plexiglass all that stuff. But I need this to dig the footers for my new shop. That's the whole reason for having it, is to work it. So I'm gonna have to get it back to the shop, figure out what he done with the wiring, because he ripped it all out of the machine, and get it running. Got the little Freightliner, the Gator made down here, 40 footer. This thing pulls it like it ain't even back there. I pulled it with that little truck on it, and it was so easy. All right, you think it's gonna start?
With the help of the spray, yes.
Oh yeah, we got the good stuff, the good Cosby style stuff.
It was trying to smoke a little bit.
You're a little huff, or a big huff. Here we go. You're a little more. Alright, so instead of just stuffing ether in it, I've got plenty of ether. I'm going to try to figure out the problem. And one problem I've found is this filter is only about halfway full of fuel, so it's not going to pick it up. And I went through this fuel system when I bought this thing, so it shouldn't be having no problems with fuel. It's got new O-rings, all that stuff all the way through it. New starter. So I got him going to get fuel. It's got fuel in it, but it is a little bit, like probably quarter of a tank. So we're gonna try to put fuel in it, put air on it from the truck. That's what I love about this truck. Like, it's just so handy when I go do stuff like this. So handy. Somebody got us some fuel. Heck yeah. Man, Steve has been super helpful today. Super helpful. Here's some diesel fuel.
You want to try and put about 3 gallons in it?
Yeah.
3 or 4. Keep a little bit, play with filters and things.
Yep. That ain't that handy. You got a funnel on it and all?
Uh-huh.
What the heck? It's got to have some kind of security device on it, though. They wouldn't allow us to have anything.
Daggone government.
They wouldn't allow us to have a fuel jug that actually works. That'd just be too American.
Wow.
No way. No way.
We're stealing this.
Yeah, that goes in the truck. I just ain't believing it. What if they have those for sale in there? The filter would be lost in a week. Guaranteed. I'm gonna be very upset if I was this low on fuel.
I was gonna say, if we've done all this for it to be a little low on fuel.
Hey, it looks like it's got half a tank of fuel in it though.
Third anyway. Might have a third of a tank of
Filter
water.
glass is full. It just ain't enough to transfer over to the other side.
Daggone gravity.
But it's been sitting here long enough. I'm sure somebody softened the fuel out of it.
They broke the windows.
Yep.
I mean, stole the battery.
Alright guys, we got her fired up, got the bucket lifted up. We had a bad O-ring on one of the filters and it was sucking air, so got that fixed, it took right off. No problem. Back to normal. start moving it. I don't rent the parking lot all up.
I got an idea. We'll get it loaded.
Here's we go. See what happens. I guess the brakes are a little sitting. They've been hung up. That winch on that truck is hydraulic. It works off the power steering pump. There you go. Much faster. Speed her up. Backhoe recovery mission. Dragging the truck. I said, nope, I'm not going. Not happening. Drags it right up there. You want to rehook? You want to rehook it? Huh? You got a big angle on your... Well, she's on. Strapped, chained, on the trailer, ready to roll. Finally get to try out the little truck with a real load behind it. That is what I'm excited about. This little truck just impresses me. Just how handy it is. It's a lot handy. I mean, it's really, really handy compared to having a big semi sitting around, you know, using it like this. Tell you guys, this backhoe ain't, I bet that thing weighs 25,000 pounds. Sorry, buddy, I am going through. With it. Should be a good test for the truck. Climb this hill. Hill's probably 10%. Oh shoot! Mike ain't even back there. It's ninth gear. You gonna be able to go all the way, little truck? Do it all the way, all the way. Yeah, this little truck's handy. Smooth is what I like about it. For a little short wheelbase truck, it's pretty smooth. Made it. Heck yeah. Now it's time to unload this beast, and I'm going to go up here and work on W9 for a little bit. Because I'm planning on taking that beast to Utah. Maybe, if it works out. Don't hold me to that one, guys. I'm going to try my best. I'm going to work my butt off at it, but it might not make it. Good morning, guys. So it is the next morning. We're going to continue this video on a little bit. I'm going to try to just kind of make these videos just a little bit longer and just not post them every single day or every other day, maybe every 2 to 3 days. anyways, we got some parts in yesterday that I really want to show you guys. And here they are. Bam! Here's the new. Why does that look bent? I hope that was, oh, they are all like that. So, all right, so this is the heater box and cooling box for this W900, which is a very common thing for these Kenworths to happen. I've actually got one down there right now we're repairing for a customer that the same thing happened. He come in complaining about no heat, no air. It wasn't blowing. He thought it was his flap inside the dash. And it ended up being this bad boy right here. So, here's all the rest of the stuff that come with it. Oh, that's for something else. Let me looking at that. Where's that other box at? Oh, right here. Heater core. It comes with a heater core and it comes with the AC condenser as well. This kit right here is about $1,100. And it's a really good kit. There's nothing wrong with it. They're stainless steel. They got insulation on them now, so that helps out a lot. And we're gonna stick it in that bad boy out there. The mama, Zeze and Brax's mama, has been driving Daddy's truck because her Denali still isn't back yet. But we got a little secret. As I know, Brax knows, the Denali is back. But Daddy got some new wheels put on it, got it getting it ceramic coated, getting it all set up for the kids, putting floor mats in it where the kids can't destroy it, getting it mommy proofed, getting it kid proofed, and getting her some new bling bling. So I got these wheels right here. I'm gonna sell these. They're 22-inch GMC wheels, and they've been sitting here for 3 days and she has not even noticed, which is awesome. But she is driving my pickup right now. She's getting ready to take the kids to school. She's had it for a good while now. My dad coming back from Cletus and cars, you can't tell now, but this cab corner was completely tore out of this truck and the back windshield and all that stuff. He got into the side of the truck with a gooseneck. Completely tore this whole cab corner out, which is finally all cured up. We just got it fixed. Took us a couple days to fix it. Had to replace the glasses. We took it somewhere and had it replaced. But this right here looks pretty good. Can't even tell. Daggone, I don't know who painted that, but by God, they must know what they're doing. Anyways, guys, we're gonna get this W900 fired up. It's been charged. It's been starting just fine. But somebody, I ain't gonna name no names, left the switch on. Now the battery's dead. So I've got to boost it off again. And we're gonna get to the shop and we're gonna start working on this. But guys, that's gonna end this video off for you guys. You're just gonna have to come watch the next one to see the W900, get it finished up and get on the road. We should have a bumper today. Should have the quarter fenders today, and hopefully the stacks. So pretty excited about that. And guys, we'll see you on the next video.